Tornado on the ground. Of course, what we've been getting reports of could also just be straight line winds. We don't know, but we want to take it seriously regardless.
It's scary, huh?
Hutch House!
All right, welcome to Hutch House. It's a beautiful sunny day out today. Be sure that you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our video and check out our crazy night last night. All right, it's 12:15 in the morning. We've just had tornado warnings. The tornado is supposed to, well, the tornado warning is right through our path. So we're hiding out together in the bathroom.
The middle of the home, so the safest place practically.
Yeah, oh, you can hear the winds outside. It's okay. It's raining really hard right now. Big lightning storm. That's crazy. It's scary, huh? Yeah.
Tornado on the ground. Of course, what we've been getting reports of could also just be straight line winds. We don't know, but we want to take it seriously regardless.
When I woke Caden up, he went into the shower. I said, grab Riker and come downstairs. And he went and stood by Riker's bed. And then he closed the door and went and got in the shower.
The tornado warning was issued for other areas of Benton County south of here. But again, that's because we've got these little smaller areas of rotation that could produce a brief tornado. The primary rotation right now for P-Ridge. Just go ahead and zoom in on that real quick if you wouldn't mind, Taylor. And no doubt about it, this is the primary area right here.
And we are so glad that nothing happened last night, huh?
Yeah.
We got up in the middle of the night for the tornado, but it's a beautiful day outside. The sun's shining, all the trees are still standing, and everybody is okay. Did we get up in the middle of the night?
Yeah.
We're so glad to have you join us at Hutch House again. Be sure and give us a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And remember that you matter.